YouTube, what's up? You're watching Selly Knows It All, and I am your host, Selly. And I got a fun one. Well, at least a fun one for me, because I've been wanting to try this fragrance for so long now, man. Over the years, when I first laid eyes on it, I'm like, I gotta have it. And honestly, this isn't my first fragrance from this house. Let me go ahead and show you. I haven't unboxed it or anything yet. I honestly just walked in the door, and I'm like, I gotta give my full reaction on camera. I'm looking bummy. It's Sunday. Sundays is when I clean up and get ready for the week. We're gonna make this real quick. Guys, I'm gonna let y'all know if this is good or not. Y'all know the deal. We locked in. Stay tuned. Let's go ahead and get this unboxed. Oh, and guys, please like and subscribe for me, man. It means the world to me. It really does. Give me a like and sub. Let's get this unboxed. Honestly, this kind of looks. Let me see. Should speed this up. But nah, we're gonna keep it natural. Let's see what we got, guys. I'm so excited for this. I'm really excited. I don't even know. So there's the box. I'll let y'all know if this is worth trying or not. Trust me, I'll let y'all know. Wow, that is just this is my favorite bottle from them. I have you Solar Blue, Sweetie Oud, and a few others, but I just loved it. A lot of people like the Solar Blue bottle, but man, I think that this is just better than the blue. The way that this shines and sparkles, this is gorgeous, guys. This is gorgeous. Look at that cat, beautiful cat. Wow.
What do you think? Nice frame.
Isn't that beautiful? Wow. Let's go ahead. Like I said, I want to keep this short and sweet, guys. So I'm going to get it. Should I do a tester strip or should we raw dog it? I'm going to go with the tester strip first and then see if I should raw dog it. Let's do that. Let's check the lab. Man, I hope I love this, man. I hope I love it. I hope I love it. Ooh, smell the sound.
This is the worst.
Wow. Man, let me get this skin. I haven't worn anything today. That sprayer is beautiful. That is a beautiful sprayer. I'm liking this. I'm really digging this. And you know what? I'm not the biggest fan of like a grapefruit note, but man, this is good, guys. This is good. Wow. I'm digging this, man. I'm really digging it. Definitely getting some. I'm about to pull up the notes real quick. Just to check the notes out. Definitely getting citruses, some woody nuances, smelling some grapefruit, lemon. Let me pull up the notes, and I'll pull up the notes on the screen for you guys to see. Let me see. I ain't gonna go to what is the fragrance. I'm gonna go to perfume. Let me see. Oh, what is this? Burlington. I got it right here. Main and core citrus, fresh, spicy, woody, fruity. You got the grapefruit, bitter orange, and a lime. I thought it was like a grapefruit lime kind of vibe, lemon kind of vibe. Benzoin, cashmere wood, cedar wood, cumin, ginger. Definitely getting the ginger facet. Lavender, mandarin orange, mint. I get a little bit of the mint. Definitely getting the musk and the oak moss. Not getting much patchouli, but I'm sure it's there. Tobacco, ambergris, cinnamon, rum, saffron, vanilla. Man, like y'all know Roja. His stuff just be filled with a bunch of notes and the chords or whatever. Man, I'm liking this. This is the boss's citrus fume. This is what the CEO reaches for when he wants something fresh. This is captivating. I like this. I'm digging it. I'm thinking if I had to rate this 1 through 10, this is definitely getting an 8 from me. This is an 8. Very solid. Nice stuff. That is nice. I like this. I reviewed a Midsummer Dream a few videos back. I think I'm liking this. I'm liking this a little bit more than Midsummer Dream. In Midsummer Dream, I did. This is about an 8, 8.2, man. Easy. I say this is worth sampling. If you like the fresh fragrances with that grapefruit kind of note, man, I would imagine this is better than your typical grapefruit note, man. Because I'm not a big fan of OG Vray. Nah, that's junk. This is good right here. Wow, this is good. This is pretty good. I'm happy with this purchase. I am happy I went ahead and pulled the trigger. I am happy, man. Once again, guys, that is Roja's Parfum Burlington 1819. I got it on Face Track. There we go. But yeah, guys, I'm gonna wrap it up. I got a lot to do to get ready for tomorrow. But please like and subscribe, guys. I really do appreciate it. Until next time, guys, peace and blessings to you and yours. Have a great week, guys. Peace.